Today we are discussing a real life example of a property I recently secured for one of my clients and exactly why this deal made so much sense. If you are new to my channel, my name is Oberoi and I'm a real estate agent, investor and a serial entrepreneur. I went from working as a server to owning multi-million dollar worth of real estate portfolio in just 8 years. In my career, I have helped hundreds of my clients buy over 900 million worth of real estate using tried and tested strategies, and I am here to share those tips with you on this channel. Let's start with the basic. This property is located in a prime downtown area of Kamloops, a strong, stable, growing market with a low vacancy and high tenant demand. Location alone made this as a solid contender. But what really solid this deal was quality of tenants. We are talking about Scotiabank and a law firm, highly reputed, stable, long-term tenants who aren't going anywhere. This means consistent income, less vacancy risk, and predictable performance. Now let's look at the numbers. Okay, this is the property which I secured it for my client. It's a Scotiabank, as I mentioned earlier. It's in Kamloops. Now the transaction details. I'm going to tell you how my client is making $10,200 positive cash flow after paying the bank and all the other expenses. First, the building details. The building is 23,300 square feet built on it. The listed price was 6.8 million. We got it secured for 6.2 million, which comes to 7% cap rate. With the national tenants, 7% cap rate a couple of years ago was impossible. This is happening now because the market is slow, and that's why I always say buy when nobody's buying it, so that you can get this kind of a cap rate on it. Now the financing details. So my client has to put 25% down, which comes in the numbers 1.6 million. The mortgage on that property is 4.7 million. The cash flow they're going to get it after the mortgage which is going to be paid, which is monthly mortgage is almost $26,000, and the rental income, or the monthly income it is written here is rental income they're getting is almost $36,000. So if you do the math here, they are making $10,200 positive cash flow. So annually, my clients make over $120,000 in positive cash flow every single year, even in this type of uncertain market. I don't see returns like this anywhere else. This is why I'm a big fan of commercial plazas and strip malls, because numbers don't lie. Nowhere else will you see a bank financing the property. A bank is a tenant and the bank is helping you to pay the mortgage back, while my client just sit back and waits for a cap rate to decrease and the property value to increase. You tell me what's better than that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're in Surrey, Langley, or anywhere in Vancouver area and want to chat about real estate goals, I would love to hear from you. You can book a coffee session with me. There's a link in the description. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care.